Hello, in this video, we're going to give you a brief overview on reports and dashboards. Now, reports are primarily used by management to measure performance, activities, sales pipelines, that kind of stuff. There's over 115 reports by default created and loaded into AgentDealer. You can create and customize reports. You can find videos and webinars inside of the support community telling you how to create and customize any reports that you might need. Now, I'm going to go on the Reports tab here. If you want to look for a report to see if one exists already, by default, your recently viewed reports will show up. But what you want to do is you want to go to All Reports and then up here into the search box and search All Reports. Otherwise, if you're in a folder, it's only going to search within that folder. So that's the best way to find a report. You could also click on all folders and then drill down to say, okay, are you looking for a report on service request or sales performance, whatever it might be. Now, dashboards, go back to the home page here. Here is a dashboard for our demo system here at AgentDealer. And a dashboard is a collection of reports with like a graphical interface or a graphical format for you to look at. So each one of these components here is fed by an individual report. And you can click on View Report on the bottom of these to see what the details are of the report. So we clicked on View Report, and now we're looking at, once it comes up, we're looking at the report for that component on the dashboard. The dashboards are determined by your user profile and they cannot be individually customized. The most important thing to remember about dashboards is that they do not automatically refresh. So this one here was last refreshed 3 days ago. You have to manually refresh the dashboard. So a good habit to get into is whenever you first get into the office or log into your system every day, go ahead and refresh your dashboard. That's it. I hope you guys have a great day and happy selling.